What's up, Ninja Maniacs? Kelly here, and today I'm starting a series of videos. I have had a lot of agents ask me about this on lead generation, conversion, where to find the right leads, what to use to get the leads, how to use that information to do multi-tiered campaigns. We're talking emails, direct mail letters, postcards, text, cold calling if you want. Like what to do as a real estate agent in today's economy to get the class A top tier leads, and then what to do to get your message to that market. So on this video, we're going to break down a whole lot of ninja level strategy. You're going to want to watch this. Now, what I'm going to do on these series is I'm not going to actually broadcast this on YouTube because we're going to be getting into some information that I don't want shared all over YouTube and Facebook. So below the video, I will have a link to one of my video sites. You can go and watch this. You can pause it. You can go back. You can save it. I'm going to break down ninja level. This is Jedi doctorate level stuff here, guys. So for today on this video, I'm going to actually show you how to use, and you've heard me teach on it before, My Plus Leads to find not only FSBOs, expireds, pre-foreclosures, but to go into any neighborhood and extract only homeowners who predictably are going to be working with a realtor predictably in the next 12 months and get all kinds of information, right? So go ahead and look below the video, click the link. Also, if you want to get on my calendar and get a little bit deeper, I've got a scheduling link there. And lastly, well, two things lastly. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what you waiting on? Hey, come on. This channel is for you. Hey, are you there? Oh, there you go. All right, good. This channel was created for you guys. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. You're going to want to do that if you hadn't, because I'm going to drop some stuff, guys, that could change some of your lives in terms of lead generation and conversions, getting some closings and cash flow. Woo! Excited. You can tell the ninja's excited about this. So make sure you are up to date on this channel. The next 2 to 3 weeks, guys, I'm dropping crazy stuff, right? Stuff that I'm not really going to be sharing in the long form videos on YouTube or Facebook. I'm going to put some videos below. Go and click it. Private videos. You can watch it to your heart's desire. Not only will I be breaking down these tactics, I'm going to give you my own assets. I'm talking my own postcards, my direct mail letters, my email campaigns. It can't get any better than this. So guys, again, go ahead, look below the video. Watch the first video on My Plus Leads and how you literally, that one system will give you access to any lead that you want, and not just any lead, a very targeted lead, and then how to take that and put it into your marketing funnels. All right, that's it, guys. Look below and stay up to date. Now, if you're an agent and you are thinking, it's getting close to the end of the year, yes, I'm dating the video, of making a change, get on my calendar below. I want to share with you some of the strategies that my partner and I implemented and how we are literally just growing, and we're partnering with agents all over the country who want to also grow their business. Get on our calendar and we'll break down the 8 ways that you can start creating income right now as an agent in your business that you might not have access to where you're currently at. That's it. Go watch the video below and come back and drop me comments. I want to hear what you think. That's it, guys. I'm out of here. Go watch the video.